Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner, choose Got It and tap on the month above. Following that, pick a date and tap on this plus icon to create your event. Select event from here and finally adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title to it, pick starting or ending hour. If you want to disable this feature, you can always do that by clicking on this switcher here. Then choose does not repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat. Click on add video, add people, add location. Choose while using the app or only this time. Over here, type in an address and click on the correct one. Now you can even change color of your event, add attachments, take notes and set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before it. When you're ready, tap on save at the top right corner and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to edit it, you can always do that by choosing it and then clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes and just save at the top right one again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner instead, tap on delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!